Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasi Hills but returning officer ke Shillong Parliamentary Konstitwensi SC Saru ulapha jingthwa shabaro ki Saiñ Pyrthe ha ba yadai bat ki SOP bathamai jong ki kartong ba ki kartong ki ha ban bo renti habakran sha kilat pathai kubor ulang ba unsa Khot ki Jingïalang bat ki nomi khmat jong baro ki Saiñ Pyrthe lam bat ki kartong la sha kisni ban pentiknai ki jing bo renti ya ka model code of conduct shite yo ha shwa jong jing thap vote khnang ba anami kano ki jing penthut
that we issued a general notice in writing to the all political parties about the first set of our SOP that parties and candidates should strictly follow, and we are again convening meeting with all political parties on 12th to ensure that just before 1 week before the poll we will have a meeting with all political parties and the candidates and their representatives to remind them and to again appeal to all of them to strictly follow the MCC in matter and spirit, and also not to disturb each other's campaigns and their political rallies, election campaigns.